A building has walls made of wood and steel, and what describes the way in which thermal energy is transferred through the walls? So the walls are made out of wood and steel. So, and how thermal energy is going to transfer, right? We know that the wood is the poor conductor of heat, and metal, which is here a steel, is a very good conductor, a good conductor of heat, or a good conductor of thermal energy, right? So how, or what's the best possible way the heat or the thermal energy could transfer, right? So the option A says conduction through the wood by movement of molecules through wood only. No, wood is not a wood is a very poor conductor, right? We're gonna go with A, conduction through the metal by both the vibration of particles and the movement of electrons through the steel. Yeah, metals are, by the way, good conductor of heat and thermal energy. So we can go with option B. Let's explore other options as well. So conduction through the wood, no, that's not the case. Convection through the metal by movement of electron, oh, no way. You know why that's not the case? Because convection only happens in liquids and gases, right? Only in fluids, actually. So we can go with option B, which says conduction through the metal.